We're going to walk through the back of the dining area to where the magic happens, and that is the upstairs yoga shala, or the communal family space for the duration of the Ubud Family Experience. It's where the opening and closing ceremony is going to be, with downstairs here being the place for the buffet dinners each time. Now, as you can see, it's very special, and there's a hidden little gem that I'm going to show you. Come along. Up a short staircase, and we're going to be there. And here is the yoga shala, our communal happy place for everything from the activities in the afternoon with the nannies and myself, and the morning workshops with myself and Marissa all takes place up here.